Hey and welcome to Alt1. I will now show you the best strategy that I have now used myself for 2 years trading live every single day. And I'll now show you the strategy that I use in my live sessions. So also, if you want to join and trade on Pocket Option, you find a link below the video. If you deposit more than $100, you will get 50% extra by using the link below the video. But only if you use the link below the video, you will get that. Now also, help me out. Push this like button, and if you want to follow my live sessions, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification so you never lose a live session from me, okay? So now let's see if we can find some trades and we'll get started. So we are getting very close to a trade here now. I think a trade area will be between from about there. Let's see, I'll explain after. If we get up there again, that is. I would prefer if we did go all the way up to there, but let's see. We are ready. We do see a trend, but it's quite far away, so we can easily take a trade up there if we get up there. Let's see. There we are in, and we got above the lines. I'm pretty happy with that. So, like I said, I can show the trend now, so you are aware. I do not like this having marked things on this broker, but I'll do my best. So you see the trend is not like this. So you see we are very far away from a squeeze. You see the place we got the trade was a nice resistant area because we trade support and resistance, but you also keep in mind the trends. So you can see we are very far away. There's very long time till we get a squeeze. Squeeze means when we get closer here, he will need to choose if we want to break to the upside or break to the downside. In this case, we have very much space, so this was a very nice trade. So we can see now in 8 seconds, I will earn myself $92 in just seconds. So this is basically how I trade. I trade simply support and resistance. Support and resistance is area, like I say here, area where you see he's testing and he gets refusement. So which you can draw a line where you can see that many times he try. Probably if you see back here, you see here also area, and here a little above. That is sometimes happening with the support. Support is come from the bottom, from the top down to the bottom. So you can see around here, for example, if you move this line up here, I can do that. You can see every time he came down to this line, he got refusement. So here would be a good up. You push higher, so buy instead. But in this case here, you see now we come from the bottom. This is the area, so every time you come up here, he will get a refusement and it's a good area to push lower. With this type of strategy, you will win between 7 and 8, so let's say 7.5 times out of 10. You will win by this strategy, so you can basically print money. But make sure you push the trend lines, because this will remove some of the losses. Because then you need to decide when it starts to be too tight, then he will either break to the upside or to the downside because of the trend line. So make sure you work with some trend lines also. If you think this is difficult right now, just make sure you subscribe, turn the bell notification, follow me in some of my live stream, because there I explain in details how I trade and why I don't take trades when I don't take them, and why I take trades when I take them. So it's much easier for you to get started. But first, make sure you sign up for this broker. You find a link below the video. Have an amazing weekend.